Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I did my spooky Halloween table decor and tiered tray. these plates I got from Marshall's. I also got this awesome little canister from Marshall's. These I got from Hobby Lobby. I had a really hard time finding black napkins today. I went to 3 different stores and I finally found them at Walmart. And they were, I believe, $6 for a set of 4. All the stuff on the tray, random places. I have no idea where any of those from, really. As long as you're putting the height in different spots and the different colors, like see the orange color here over on this side, and then there's some orange down there. Then we got the black bat down here, black bat up there that are taller. So the height and the colors, mix them around, and then you should be good. These witch napkins, also from Marshall's. This napkin holder I got from Target. That's it for my table decor and tiered tray video. Hopefully it inspires you and gives you different ideas on how to decorate your home. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and like button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.